Okay, back at it again. Up Little Cottonwood, getting some turns. Yeah, February's been pretty good. Just keeps snowing. Did like 6 over the last 24 hours up here. And then we're expecting another 5 to 10 today. So it should be some pretty dang good powder turns today. I'm gonna keep moving on, and when I get to the top of the next up, I'll check in. We'll check in a minute. Okay, just got up to the top of the first up, and gonna keep climbing now. It's just snowing out here pretty good. I think it's gonna fill everything in today. So anyways, we're gonna keep moving on. This is a beautiful day out here. I'm really having a good time. Okay, this storm has really shown up now. Holy cow, it is just going off. It is snowing so hard out here right now. Just kind of pan you behind me so you can see how bad this is coming in. This is gonna be a good ride home. Just gonna have to keep it mellow, so we'll check in a little bit. Okay, almost up there. About 100 yards to go here and I'll be at the top of my line. It is just dumping out here. I mean, like, seriously dumping. Ride's gonna be awesome on the way home, but man, I'll tell you, I'm staying off anything steep today because I'm seeing a little fracturing in the wind-loaded stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna keep moving up this hill. As you can see, I'm getting blasted here. So almost to the top though, then we'll drop in and get a ride home. So we'll check in a little bit. Okay, top of my line. I'm pretty much switched over. Just got to put the helmet and goggles together and drop in. But man, it is just nuking. I am underneath a tree and you can see how hard it's still snowing up here. Just nuts, man. What a hell of a storm. What a hell of a February, right? It's just nice to be back out and being in the mountains again. It's been beautiful up here. Winter is just gorgeous, you know. I'll pan you around a little bit so you can see what I'm looking at here. And that's my line home behind me there. So gonna go ahead and get this thing together and drop in and enjoy the day. And man, it's been awesome. February in the Wasatch, can't beat it. So we'll check in a little bit.